Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to turn on off incognito mode on Android. So you will just simply open the Chrome browser in this Android device and you will have to click to the top right of three dots of settings. So when it's open you will see the new incognito tab. So you will have to just open it. It will be blank. Black is for privacy. So incognito mode is it's for privacy. No one can see it and no one can trace it. So that's why it's all black. So this is how to turn it on, and you will just click to the top of the box where the pages are open. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.